Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, you might be wondering, what is the cause of this issue? Well, the direct answer to that is your internet connection. Now typically, when you have a very slow internet connection, or if you have any problems in your internet, then most likely that is the cause of that issue whenever you try accessing Brawl Stars here. In this case, we first have to guarantee that our internet connection is actually fairly fast. In this case, you could go and open up any browser, just type in the following, which is going to be internet speed test on Google. Now typically, Google has their run speed test option here, but you could try other websites like speed test by Ookla, and from here just click on run speed test. Now typically it's going to give you the details itself. As you can see, I have around 60 Mbps for my download speed and as well as on my upload speed. Now again, if both the details or options that you see here for the download and upload speeds are fairly slow, then most likely that is the cause of your issue. It is recommended that you switch over to a different network. Like for example, if you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you have a Wi-Fi connection, switch to a mobile data. In this case, once you've done that, see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, well, the next thing you want to do here is you want to clear some details in your app. In this case, all we need to do is we need to look for Brawl Stars. In this case, once you found it, press and hold on it, click on App Info. Now from here, what we need to do is you need to click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen, and from here, click on clear cache, and from here, click on OK. Now in this case, once you've done that, see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the final and last thing that you can do here is to make sure that you have Brawl Stars updated. Now, typically, you just need to go to Google Play Store here, and from then on, just search for Brawl Stars and see if you have the latest version. Now, if you see the update button, well, typically, you just need to click on update and wait for the update to complete and access Brawl Stars again and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.